Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll talk about the film review of Ye Jawani Hai Diwani movie. Ye Jawani Hai Diwani might be a normal or above par movie for others, but I feel so connected with it. Maybe because of Bunny or his life in movie which I always dreamed to live. In beginning of the movie, characters were excellently introduced to the audience so that they can feel a connection with them, whether it is Bunny, Avi, Nana or Aditi. What entertains me the most is their trip and how they get along there. Avi, who has no money at all but don't want to miss this memorable trip with friends. Aditi, who is always ready to party. Bunny, the one who has the responsibility of making this trip happen. And last, Nana, who is completely an introvert person and is studious but always attracted to the life of backbenchers. The next phase of movie is to the Manali, where as a audience find more about the characters like flirtatious Bunny, cool dude Avi and Jilly Aditi. The studious girl Nana fell in love with the dude Bunny because of his attitude and personality. Bunny also showed respect to Nana and start liking her as well. Meanwhile, he has an aim to in the end of the first interval, it is being conveyed to audience that Bunny is moving abroad on scholarship for his further studies. After the interval, it starts with Bunny roaming around the streets of Paris and doing photography and filming, which was his dream and doing really good over there. Suddenly, next morning, there is a call on his Skype, and guess what? It is her best friend Aditi sending an invitation of her marriage happening to be soon and wanting him, Bunny, badly to be present there. So, Bunny decided to go there after 8 long years. So, as an audience, we are expecting that here comes the situation again where all four will again meet and party until we see the drunk Avi. The rift shown between Avi and Bunny is so realistic and logical that a random guy can feel the pain and friendship in that. Avi kept on making Bunny realize that everything has changed since he never connected their friends, neither came back to India, not even for his father's funeral. On other side, Nana and Bunny falls in love with each other, but Nana is afraid that Bunny will leave her again and will go back to his ambitious happening life. Bunny on other hand was so confused whether to prefer love over his abroad life or what. And that best part comes when Bunny is confused state of mind went to his home where there is his stepmom whom he never expected as a mom tells him that how much his late father loved him and wanted him to stay with him but never stops him for his dream because he knows the aims and dreams life is everything for Bunny. Bunny leaves his house for airport and while sitting there his life gave him a flashback about his father who wanted him to stay with them but never told him clearly. Now he is realizing all the things and advice his father gave it to him. Now he understands the loves of Nana. In the climax, he ran back to Nana's home and proposed her with his charming dialogue, and she accepted his proposal. So this was the film review of Ye Jawani Hai Diwani movie, and I hope you liked it. So it's time to say goodbye. We'll meet in next video. Till then, have a nice day.